Hey YouTube, I've got the cable back down the connector again. You can get in here and work on this thing, but it's not the ideal length. I would have added another inch or so to the length of that cable. And that connector down there on the board is super fragile, and as you can see, the one over on the back side of the top piece is at a 90-degree angle, so you could easily rip this cable or snap off a connector with them being so fragile without too much trouble. Alright, so now that I've got that back together, we get the back cover lined up again. Okay, so the back cover is in, and now I've got to get the front bezel back in place. The bezel is a mirror image, so it's really easy to put it on upside down, and you won't realize it until you start closing things up and go like, oh hey, that won't work that way. And so the Q is the printing on here. You know, they say output and, you know, balance port and so on, and all that stuff is below each one of the connectors. Alright, so now it is all back together again. There is a couple of plastic pins here and here, or here and here for alignment, and then there are 3 screws, or 2 screws rather, that go inside to hold the top all together, and they are right here in the same spot on the other side. And that's all that holds the top in to the board until you get the whole shell together. Alright, so now that's all done. Now it's time to put the bottom on. And that just drops in place. Piece of cake. And then there are 5 more screws that hold that all together. Anyway, next video take will be actually looking at the controller from the outside.